Doorbells are great if you happen to be in the general area of your house where they are located. But what if you are down or upstairs, or even in the garage? Here is a great solution. This is the ERA-EXKIT by 1-800-DOORBELL.com. It will extend the range of your wired doorbell up to 4,000 feet. It comes with a transmitter and a plug-in receiver. The transmitter connects to your wired doorbell and is super easy to install too. The receiver, once paired with the transmitter, just plugs into any AC outlet up to 4,000 feet away. Adjust the sound, or set it to strobe with sound, or just the strobe when the doorbell is pressed. And you have choices of up to 12 ring sounds from the receiver. Now you can hear the doorbell in the basement, in the laundry room, in the garage, even in the backyard, or in your shop. You can add more receivers to cover all those areas, and rest assured that if someone is ringing your doorbell, you will hear it.